Do you miss Bitcoins and NFTs? Then don't miss this big thing, which is AI influencers, as it is the next wave and Higgsfields let you earn from it. Let's know how you can do it in this today's video without any delay. We are going to learn about AI influencer, which is right over here. So once you have logged in into Higgsfield, just click on AI influencer. As soon as you do it, you will find this tab, which is basically for you to create your AI influencer. Here you can see you have this AI influencer studio, and here you can see we have this character type, gender, then you have the origin base, then skin color, eye color, and lots of things are there. So let's just start with a character first, and you can see there are some base characters as well which you can play with it. So let's start now. We are going to create a human character, so we are going to go for that, but you can create another character as well. Let's just start with an alien character here this time. So let's just click on an alien character. We are going to go for female here, and for ethnicity we are going to go for, let's say, European. And for skin color, you can directly choose the skin color from here as well. Or what you can do, you can just leave it by default because it will select the origin base here. Or if you want, you can go for human as well. So you get lot of character types here, human, ant, bee, iguana, crocodile, lizard, reptile, amphibian, elf, lots of things are there. But we are going to stick with human here. And if you want to shine out as an AI influencer, just go for something unique here, like a beetle is there. You can definitely go for this as well. You can go for reptile as well. I'm going for alien here, a female, European alien. Here we are going to go for green eyes. And here you get the skin conditions, which is pigmentation, freckles, birthmarks, and etc. But we are going to go for, let's say, let's go for birthmarks. And here is the age. So you want your character to be adult, mature, or senior. We are going to go for adult here. Now here is the cool thing that I really like about Higgsfield AI Studio, which is advanced settings. So once you open it, by activating it, you will find 3 tabs here, which is face, body, and style. Now you can change each and every parameters here by changing the tabs, because in face you can see eye type is there, eye details, mouth and teeth, ears. And if you go to body, we have the body type as well. And if you go to style, we have the style. So let's just look at it one by one. Let's just go to face first. I want my alien AI creator to be having a reptile eyes, let's say. Then I want eyes maybe of the different colors. So both the colors will be different. Then I can go to mouth and teeth, or we can go for glowing eyes as well. Let's just disable this. And here I want to be have different teeth here. For ears, we can go for human only. Horns, we can definitely give it like a small horns if you want. Face and skin material, let's just stick to human skin if you want, or you can play with it here as well. So let's just go for amphibian skin, or let's just do human only. Surface pattern, we can go for stripes here, and this is done. And now what we can do, we can go upwards and go to body. Here in body tab, let's just have a body type of curvy. Then we can have the left arm as well to be normal arm. So we are not going to change, but if you want, you can change it as well. Then you can go to style. Let's just go for hair here, and we are going to select a long hair here as well, or you can go for afro as well. Let's just go for long hair. And here in accessories and marking, let's just go for maybe symbol. And rendering style, if you want, you can go for cartoon or 2D illustration or hyper realistic, but I'm going to stick with this. And after doing this, you just need to generate your influencers and it will be ready. But if you want to give it a prompt, you can just go to prompt and give it a prompt, then it will ignore this builder here. But I'm going to go with this builder. And you can see we can generate influencer here by clicking. And if you want to remove anything, like I don't want this green color eyes, I can just click here and it will just reset this out. So it will just swap this out, it will delete it, and you are going to have only this steps here. So you can definitely do it from here. Let's just click on generate, and I will be back once the influencer is generated. Now, as you guys can see, the character is created and it is looking really good here. So if I click here on the zoom icon and if I just open it in new tab, you can see this is how it is looking right now, and the details are really good, and this character is just out of this world. Basically it's out of this world because it's an alien character, but it's looking really good. So we can lock this out and you can just click on save as influencer cover, and now you can see you have this influencer here. You can click here and move to folder as well. You can publish here as well, and you can basically download it as well. So if you want, you can edit what you want to edit and you can customize this here, but I'm going to make this only. Now the cool part is that you can edit it in Nano Banana. So if I click here, I can just explain it here what I want. Here you can see I have already generated some influencer, which is basically a British influencer here, and she's promoting a product. So you can create a same thing here, and let's just if you want, you can write it here as well what you want to change, and you can make sure that our aspect ratio is 9:16. You can switch from Nano Banana Pro to maybe Sedans as well if you want to get the realistic approach. Right now Nano Banana is facing some issues, so let's just check how it looks in Seedream 4.1. I want this female to be in relaxed pose without bag and iPhone, standing in normal, standing in her bedroom, and we can go for medium shot or full body shot. In bedroom, full body shot. And then what you can do, you can just make sure that this is 9:16. You can turn on the unlimited option here if you don't want to use the credits, but I'm going to use this, and I'm going to have two variations here, and let's just click on generate here. Once this is done, I'm going to be back because right now Nano Banana Pro is not working, but let's just check this out. It is just a temporary issue from Nano Banana side, so don't worry, it is going to get rectified soon. But I'm just going to generate two for this as well. And I will be back once this is generated. So let's just give like 1 to 2 minutes for it to generate. Now it took around like 1 minute to generate these three images. This too was really fast. It took around only like 20 to 25 seconds. You can say this is generating. This two were Nano Banana Pro and this is Seedream. So let's just have a look at this, how it is looking. So let's just open the image in the new tab, and you can see this is looking really good here. We can create animation out of it. We can definitely upscale this as well. Let's just click this Nano Banana option as well. I am liking this more, this Nano Banana version, but you can see we are getting some spots in the teeth here. So maybe we can rework this out, but I'm liking this result. We can definitely upscale this. The result that you like, you can definitely upscale them here. And so we can do it easily. But let's just go with this because I'm liking the result. So again, go to your AI influencer, and here you can find we have this try free, and this is what we are talking about, the motion here. So if you want, you can generate a motion by clicking directly here and it will generate a motion. You can definitely do that for another characters as well, like the Skylar is there, then Paris is there. This is Paris. This is Dorian. So you can go for Dorian as well. You can see we have the Skylar as well. So you can definitely go for this. And now you can see we have all the 4 versions here of the character. So we can definitely take this here, which is really good, or we can take this as well. Yeah, this is good. So we are definitely going to go with this one, and we are going to click on try free here, and you will get a motion library here, which is created by Higgsfield itself by creating the references, generating, creating the references from the internet or maybe their own source. I don't know, but you can see here, I'm going to delete this out. And you can see we have this character here because we clicked on that, and here you can see the motions that we can do on our character, like standing here and doing this dance. This is looking really good. So we can definitely try this out, or we can go for this as well. I want a standing dance only. I don't want to go back and forth. So we can definitely try this out as well. So yeah, let's go for this one and let's just see how it is going to look on our character. Now for the quality, you can definitely work on this as well. So if I want a really good quality for Instagram, I can go for 1080p. So let's just go for 1080p. Make sure that your scene control mode is from video. So you get this background, which is here. And not this background. If you want your own background, which is this, you can click on image here, but we are going to go for video. And let's just click on generate. We are going to get free 10 generations. So we can click on generate and you can definitely add your own video here as well. So you can create some realistic AI influences with the help of this technique. So I will be back once this is generated. So the result is ready now. You can see we have got the perfect movement. Let's just play. I have muted the sound here because I can get copyright. So I have just muted the sound, but you can see the movements here. You can see it's looking really good here. The video is looking really good. The movements are perfect here. So you can use this for your basically scene that you want to create. I have used the background which is in the video, but you can definitely use the background that you have, so the lighting and all the things can match. But this is looking really good. And now what you can do, you can just click on download and your video will be downloaded in 1080p full quality. Now the things come here, guys. Higgsfield has introduced Higgsfield Earn tab. So if I go to higgsfield.ai/earn, I will give the link in the description and in the pinned comment. You can just click on it and visit the link. Now Higgsfield Earn is a really good new content that Higgsfield has started. It basically provides you with the payment if you create AI videos and publish them on your social media and tag them. You can get some really cool rewards, and it's a really easy process, guys. If I can show, I will. You can see it's in 3 simple steps to make money. You first need to log in with your social media account and verify it. Then you need to post the content that you are posting, and then you can get your money from Higgsfield to your account directly. And it's a really smooth process, guys. And it's really easy to earn with this AI influencer thing. You can definitely try this out. Just go to Higgsfield AI/earn and you will get all the details. If you are interested, you can just create your influencer and start creating the content and get money out of it from Higgsfield AI. So it's a really good opportunity, and you can see many users are doing the same thing with this. And there are more than 15 million users in the community. And if you see how much payment they all are getting, here you can see around many creators are getting this payment, and this is live numbers, guys. It just keeps on changing. Once the user get paid, you can see they are earning like $2, $3. Some are earning like $150, $200. It all depends on your social media reach and your post and your partnership with Higgsfield. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something new on how you can earn money in 2026. So that's why I told in the beginning, if you have missed Bitcoins, NFT, don't miss this wave, which is AI influencers, because this is the really next big thing that brands are looking for in order to promote their products. Because now with AI influencers, it's really cheap to do it. And for you, it's really easy because I've created this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please press that like button, share it with your friends who wants to learn AI and Higgsfield. I will see you next time. Till then, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, guys.